One of the key factors that investors look at when evaluating a company's performance is its profit margin. Profit margin is the percentage of revenue that a company keeps as profit after deducting all expenses. The higher the profit margin, the more efficient and profitable the company is. Siemens Energy, a leading provider of energy solutions and services, has recently lowered its profit margin outlook for fiscal year 2023. The company now expects to achieve a profit margin of 3% to 5%, which is lower than its previous guidance of 4% to 6%. This means that Siemens Energy expects to earn less profit from its revenue in the next fiscal year. Why did Siemens Energy lower its profit margin outlook? What are the challenges and opportunities that the company faces in the energy sector? And how does this affect its valuation and attractiveness for investors? In this video, we will explore these questions and more, as we analyze Siemens Energy's profit outlook, a swing or a miss? The main reason for the lower outlook is the challenging market environment in the wind industry, especially for Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy, which posted a net loss of €204 million in the second quarter. Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy is a subsidiary of Siemens Energy that produces wind turbines and provides services for the wind power sector. It is one of the world's leading suppliers of wind energy solutions, with a presence in more than 90 countries and over 107 gigawatts of installed capacity. However, in the second quarter of fiscal year 2023, Siemens Gamesa reported a net loss of €204 million, compared to a net profit of €286 million in the same period last year. This was mainly due to higher warranty costs, supply chain disruptions, project delays and execution issues. The company also faced increased competition and price pressure in the wind industry, as well as regulatory uncertainties and environmental challenges. These factors have affected its profitability and cash flow, forcing it to lower its guidance for the full year. Siemens Energy, which owns 67% of Siemens Gamesa, has also suffered from the poor performance of its wind division. It reported a net loss of €1.1 billion in the second quarter, widening from a loss of €245 million a year ago. The loss was partly offset by a strong performance in its gas and power segments, which benefited from higher demand and order intake. Siemens Energy has announced plans to delist Siemens Gamesa and integrate it into its own operations by the end of this month. The aim is to simplify the corporate structure, improve operational efficiency and create synergies between the two businesses. Siemens Energy hopes that this move will help it achieve its medium-term targets and capitalize on the growing opportunities in the energy transition market. Siemens Energy is a global leader in energy transition, offering solutions for renewable energy, electrification, and decarbonization. But despite its innovative products and services, the company recently lowered its profit outlook for the fiscal year 2021. Why did this happen and what does it mean for the future of Siemens Energy? One of the main reasons for the lower profit outlook was the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the company's operations and supply chain. The pandemic caused delays and disruptions in some of the company's projects, especially in the gas and power segment. The company also faced higher costs for raw materials and logistics, as well as currency headwinds. However, not everything was gloomy for Siemens Energy in the second quarter. The company reported a strong growth in orders and revenue, beating analysts' expectations. The orders increased by 39% year-on-year to €9.3 billion, while the revenue rose by 12% to €6.5 billion. The company's adjusted EBITDA margin improved from 1.9% to 3.5%. The main driver of this growth was the high demand for energy transition technologies and services. Siemens Energy's renewable energy segment, which includes wind power and hydrogen solutions, saw a 15% increase in orders and a 6% increase in revenue. The company also secured several large contracts for transmission and distribution projects, such as grid connections for offshore wind farms and high-voltage direct current (HVDC) systems.